Best keep your mouth shut when you talk to the dawn. Sorry your call, I missed it. My give a shit level non-existent. I ain't in the mood for decisions, so if you can read, go check on Indeed, you're in need an assistant. Run my errands for me, cause when I go on grocery shop, man, they staring at me. This dude glaring at me, his girl wearing my tee. We inline our life story, oversharing with me. Mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, Wagyu steak, rooftop restaurant. Big house in the hills, not a single worry about how I pay the bills. Key to all the spots, private island party where we only push yachts. Homegrown prodigy, on my own row housing, that's monopoly. Feel it in my bones, that's prophecy. Goated like Moses, so tell me who's stopping me. You think that you special? That's comedy. Mountaintop meditation in the morning. Someone sitting all the meetings that I find boring. A yes man, never been important, my stock soaring. Tax man, hate the way I'm offshoring. He a doormat, his bag is where the floor bad. It's not my fault you never get this life, they call me Borat. You know it be for sure that the green surrounding me like I'm serving up the forecast. Mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, Wagyu steak, rooftop restaurant. Big house in the hills, not a single worry about how I pay the bills. Key to all the spots, private island party where we only push yachts. Got an office at the bank, cracked the pack open, now the whole office stank. Business extender, don't need a lender. I'm more Dave Grohl, they the pretender. I am alive, I won't spend the next 95 at a 9 to 5 and a desk job need not apply. You said you wanna work here though. Well, I guess I lied. In my deathbed, straight vibing. Long life, well lived, I am describing. Volcano hang gliding. From now on, I'm doing me. That's the life that I am prescribing. With a hippie chick eating psilocybin. Yellow submarine, deep sea, deep diving. Like I'm in a terrible state, no Ivan. What's wrong trying to spend your day freestyling? This ain't a wish list, I take what I wanna, don't ask for.
Good evening, welcome back to the Art of Crypto. I'm JR. Let's turn these tunes down and get into these charts, baby. Might as well turn up a bit. It's just me. It's just me. Is that loud enough? I feel like that's loud enough, bro. Hey, let's go. Shrink this. Did my tunes stop already? Yeah, fuckers. There we go, baby. Yo! Shetty Sederson in the house. Printing that paper. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Check it out, my moonshot. Remember my moonshot entry zone, bro? Do you remember? Good evening, all set. Shetty Sederson. Let's throw some anchors in the chat for all set. My brother from another mother. Sometimes all you need is an anchored VWAP. Shepherd Pie. We got Shepherd Pie in the chat. Looks like he's printing that paper as well. Let's fucking go. Friday, baby. Print. Yeah, bro, I know. We got to. I can't wait. Boom. Anchor gang. Shepherd Pie. Nice. Cheers, bro. You brought one? I brought one too. Yep. Keep it simple, stupid. Look, if I would have just jumped on, if I would have just stayed with my longs, bro. I feel like such a dummy. Like, not really, because I printed. But I could have printed more. What's all these text messages? Oh my god, I can't read all that. Let's see my positions. Yeah, both positions in the red. I think I picked up some new limit orders on why do I have longs? Hang on. What's that? 22. Let me check out some shit here. I don't want to go messing with this position until I check. How you guys doing? Yeah, we should be playing both ways, bro. All set gets it. Look at this all set. Look at this anchored VWAP, bro. Boom. Ping, entry zone. Ping. Stop loss above previous week high. Dude, that's the play, bro. That's the one I was waiting for like 2 weeks. I think I was waiting for 2 weeks. Yeah. Anyways, I should have printed more off this long though, cause I dropped the long twice this last week or this week or whatever. But I jumped out of it, frick, like a leg and a half too early. But it looks like it's getting weaker here. We got double clipping on the 2 hour, tiny candles. Yeah, I'm gonna add to my short. Just a smidgel, nothing crazy. Just a smidgel, just to help it along the way. Looks like we're gonna get a little leg up too, though, on the 15 minute. That's about it, though. I got bad habits. Hang on, I'm just gonna throw some limit order. I'm gonna add some limits here to my juicy Solana. Put half of it in front of the safety net, and then I'll put half of it at the highs. There. Let's see how the DGen account's doing. Why is it only $8? Oh, well, I messed up, bro. Anyways. Let's see the DGen account real quick. Just taking a peek at the DGen Ninja. Whoo, that's not doing great. That might be $5 I'll never see again. But let's give it time. Looking pretty greasy, Randy. Hang on, let me check. Yeah, looking pretty greasy, Randy. I got bad habits. Bad habits. I feel like I should help it a bit. You know, why not? Why not, bro? Just trying to survive out here, right? Are we flipping 90k to support, you guys? Are you sending me to freaking dark places here? Still gonna stay. Can't make it back if you don't play. Cold Street. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Trying not to sing online. I'm trying my hardest not to sing online. Asia Orb, let's go. Okay, let's mark this puppy. Which one? Which Asia Orb? The one that I was taught, or the one that everyone assumes New York and Asia are the same? Let me know in the chat if you do the 2 hour orb, or the 1 hour orb, or the 15-minute orb, or the 5-minute orb in Asia. I do the 2 hour, but I'm not opposed to change. Not opposed to change. Let's mark the 2 hour orb though. Cause like I was taught this shit, and then I traded it for like months and it worked. All these orbs, like the New York 15, Asia 2 hour, and the London 1 hour. So it's like they've been tested by like me plus thousands or hundreds of thousands of traders. So like I don't think it's wrong, but I'm not opposed to trading different ways. Cause like I'm a firm believer that anything works if you practice it right, trade it right. I think anything can work, honestly, for real. I've seen people make shit work that people would be like, what? That's crazy. When you see the moons have a 70% hit rate for months, you start to open your mind a little bit, eh? Start to open your mind a bit. And I've seen a chick trade just trend lines really good too. Online, and, well, both online, but one in a community that I was friends with, and then one Tori Trades, obviously. She's a fucking legend. So this momentum is just increasing, eh? Let's track that. Let's track that momentum increasing here. That's being generous with it. Super generous with it. Really, I should go to this low and it'd be broken and retesting the underside already. But I'll be super generous with it. Tomorrow's a full moon, bro? Yeah, right, bro. Yeah, bro, Tori Trades, she's verified, bro. Army Piper and, oh, I thought she was before that, but, yeah, she's verified, bro. Legit. Army Piper and OC and Chartin, they were gonna do an affiliate deal with her. Yeah, they were gonna do an affiliate deal with her, but she was too honest about it. She's like, I use trend lines. She's like, I'd feel like dumb or deceitful doing a premium indicator deal when all I use is one line. She said. But yeah, they checked her shit. They checked her. They verified, like, they checked her shit to make sure she wasn't full of shit. And supposedly she's legit, bro. And I've seen her. She is legit, bro. She also, I saw her get interviewed. Here, I'll show you. I saw her get interviewed by one of the best, like the best prop traders at a real prop company, like a real prop company, not a fucking crypto, fucking degen, fucking unregulated shit, fucking prop firm, funded account shit, not like that, but like the real prop firms, like where they like hire professionals and shit and they train them and shit. Here, I'll search it for you. Lance Bernstein, he's the top trader at Trillium prop firm in 20 years. He's the top trader. He's won multiple top trader of the year awards at that prop firm. He's a verified 7 to 8 figure trader. His net worth is huge, and he is good, really good actually. And he used to be really bad. He was like one of the worst traders at the firm for like the first 2 years. But he just studied and dug down and analyzed his data and shit, and like he got his groove, bro. And then he turned into the best leading trader there. And now they pay him to come teach their traders and shit. But yeah, so he interviewed her. Lance Bernstein strategy. Lance Bernstein. Brettstein. Oh, right here. I'll just search it. He interviewed Tory Trades to just for a good episode. But yeah, see, do trend lines work? He interviewed Tory Trades, and he's like super serious. He doesn't fuck around, and he analyzed all of her shit and everything she said. And he's like, that's how I use trend lines too. He's like, that's legit. He's like, yeah, it's all good. But yeah, she's verified too though. Like on all the interviews she's done, they've checked her accounts and shit. And then Army Piper and OC and Chart Prime. If you ask, what up, Blackie Chan? Happy New Year's, bro. Fucking cheers, bro. Yeah, Lance is the shit, bro. I like him too because he's like me, man. He uses the Bollinger Bands instead of the moving averages. I like the Bollinger Bands too, but because Bollinger Bands is based off of moving average, so the middle line is a moving average. I'm just testing these moving averages out, these EMAs. Shout out to D-Generation X, and Caliphant likes these. Who else likes these? D-Generation X, Caliphant. Oh, and Mikey! Forget about it. So I'm testing these out, but yeah, the Bollinger Band is like the 20, I think 21 or something. Moving average. Let's check it out. Let's do a little testaroo. But yeah, so he'll use the Bollinger Bands and then the middle moving average on the daily. I think, well, probably multiple time frames, but I think on the daily he waits for a cross. Daily or 4 hours or something. He waits for a cross of the moving average. Price action crosses the moving average, and as soon as it reclaims the mid of the Bollinger Bands. What up, Frank the Tank? Happy Friday, bro. Happy New Year. Let's print this fucking pape. Yeah. But yeah, so as soon as it claims the moving average of the Bollinger Band, he'll go long on that shit, bro, and it works. I study every day, bro. I bet me and Allset would be savage little back testers if we had like a fucking like a sick bachelor pad where we just tested all day. We'd have to kidnap BC too. Bollinger Bands right here. Why don't I have it starred? I thought I did that already. Anyways, Bollinger Bands. Let's change the colors because I like changing the colors of shit. I like my Bollinger Bands white. 20 moving average. It's a 20. So yeah, he'll use that, and then he'll trail with either a trend line or a 5 I think it was a 5 EMA or something. Squid changes this to a 14 for scalping, because then the Bollinger Bands point in the direction sooner. Nice, yeah, bro. Frank the Tank, All Set, and JR fucking at the bachelor pad. I bet we'd come up with $1 billion strategy in like 3 months. For real though. For fucking real though. Okay, let's make them white. I like my Bollinger Bands white. In my head, I don't know. I imagine that's what I like them. So I'm gonna try it. And we'll make the mid one. Should we make the mid one a bit thicker? Or should we just make them all thick as fuck because they're zones? Let's try them all thick as fuck for one. Oh, I feel like it's gonna interfere with my other moving average though. Should we make them dotted? We can make them dotted. Let me know in the chat. I'm gonna go with dotted until you guys pipe up. Save as default. So yeah, check it out, bro. This shit works, man. Look at this. Well, I guess he would have got stopped out here because it claimed it. This is only on the 30 minute though. But I'm just looking at it. We're just looking at it together right now. Let's check it out. Claims it, loses it, so that would have been a stop. But it would have been a stop in profit because it did touch the other side of the band for a 1-to-1 probably. Either way. Stopped, re-enter. This one was just a straight stop. Unless you're like trailing your stop real tight. But yeah, so look at this one though. Claims it, and then it stays above forever. Squid uses it like that too, but he's on the 1 minute. Let's check out the daily. We should get a clean chart. Oh yeah, it's fucking Friday. I can clean my chart too. See, we've been under these bitches on the daily forever, bro. We poked up for a bit. Oh, we just claimed them. We just claimed them on the daily right now. And they're squeezing and going sideways. Could be a juicy relief bounce, boys and girls. Is there any girls here yet? No. 5 beautiful viewers in the audience. I appreciate you all. Thanks for showing up. None of this is financial advice. Just a Canadian degen and a Canadian igloo doing Canadian ninja degen things. So that's on the daily. I'm just trying to look for the smoothest time frame to catch these. This is pretty smooth though on the daily. But that's like big money shit. I ain't trying to wait that long to print. Try the 4 hour. Let's try 30 as fuck too, bro. I feel like I should get rid of this moon mission because it's kind of random. I don't like it. It's just like a random. That'd be cool if it worked later though. I don't know if this one's gonna pan out, man. Getting pretty bullish, eh? But yeah, I use this like this anyway. I don't know. I like Bollinger Bands. I use them like this, eh? So like I'll go on the daily. And just so for my like solo leverage ladder in and play both ways thing, I look at the daily Bollinger Bands because look at rarely, but sometimes, but rarely they'll bounce from end to end on the daily Bollinger Bands. Like usually you go from the top to the bottom sometimes, or the bottom to the mid, maybe you tease the top. Sometimes you do go from bottom to top though, right? Like it does happen, like right here, bottom to top. But it's rare. It's rare that it goes the full distance in one move, bottom to top. So, using that logic, I make sure my liquidation is well outside of the daily Bollinger Bands. Well outside the daily Bollinger Bands. And then I'll have limit orders up here on this side of the daily for my shorts. And then I'll have limit orders down here on this side of the daily for my longs. And then I'll go down to the 4 hour. And I'll do the same thing on the 4 hour. So on the daily I'll have it on opposite ends and on the 4. Holy shit, we're riding out. See, this you'd confirm the short when these candles close back inside the Bollinger Bands. Usually, see? I'll show you over here. It's outside the Bollinger Bands, so you wait for the safest entry. Wait for the candle to get back like inside here, inside the Bollinger Bands, then hit the short. That's the safest. So for this one, even though it's in my entry zone, if you want to wait for like a Bollinger Band confirmation thing, you can wait for it to close back inside the Bollinger Bands. And then we'll probably get it. Same with this. What's this? What are they called? Those other bands? Keltner channels. Keltner channels, I noticed the same thing with those. See, Keltner's white. I like them white. I like my Keltners and my Bollinger Bands white, bro. Same with the Keltner channels. Even on the 15-minute, bro. Shout out to DJ and Dave at Chart Hackers, teaching me about the Keltner channels. Okay, let's get rid of these setups, bro. Let's get rid of all these drawings. Let's start fresh. It's a fresh week. I just want to save this. How can I just save this? I feel like that's harder. Let's see. Remove 14. What? 43 drawings? How come I can't pick and whatever? I'll just redrop this. What is it? 132, 136 stop loss. Targeting previous week low. Okay. 132, 136, 132, 136. Boom. Boom. 132, 136. 132 ish, and 136 for a wide one. Let's put this here, and then I'll target previous week low, which was down here. There. Put my entry box back up, just so it looks like how it was. Ooh, current year high, bro. Oh yeah, because the year just started. That was awesome. Okay, let's check it out. Right there. That looks about right. We could split the difference. Yeah, Tory trades, eh? I thought she was just showing up just to look good too, but apparently she's actually good. So yeah, Bollinger Bands. Oh, and Keltner channels. So check it out. Let's check it out together. Oh, it's so busy with both those lines at the same time. Maybe I'll just whatever. I'll just show you. I don't care. So see when it pokes outside the Keltner channels? That's not the dotted line. It's the straight line. When it pokes outside the Keltner channels, if you wait for it to close back, or even if you wait for it to come back inside the Keltner channel, that'd be a good, pretty safe, good short. Boom. Same with, let's check it out. Right here, outside the Keltner channel, back inside, short. Boom. Let's find some more. Right here, right here. Here's some. This one wouldn't have worked out too great. Oh no, wait, where's the Keltner channel? Keltner channel's here. So it didn't even close back inside yet. Then here, aggressive move inside. That's such a huge candle though. But whatever, 15-minute. So if you entered when it got back inside the Keltner channels here, you would have printed like a 1-to-1. But that was like the bottom where it went sideways. But if you see, so if you stay in the short until it closes back inside the channel, you'd be good. You'd be good till near bottom. Same with to the upside, see? It's outside the Keltner channel, barely back inside, then big move to stay outside of it. Say you did go short here, you would have got stopped, but your long continued printing, theoretically. And then as soon as you get back inside this Keltner channel, bro, like a couple candles, couple 15-minute candles inside the Keltner channel there, short, boom. Let's find some more. I'm just curious, eh? Curious like a cat. Outside, strong close inside, short, 1-to-1. But then you reject off the midline. You can play that to the outside again. I should just stick with one thing for like a week and test it. Well, yeah, I don't know. I don't use them like that, but that's how a lot of other people use them, and it works really good for them. So, not financial advice, just something worth looking into. I don't know which one I like more. I'm torn between Bollinger Bands and Keltner. It's tough. It's hard being a ninja, you know? I don't don't need a background. Shetty Sederson. Johnny December. Oh, thanks. Trade Intuition. Smashing likes left and right. Yeah, we do degen things sometimes. Ooh. Pepe's almost in profit. Solana is like struggling to die. It's either gonna die or it's gonna continue. Anyone could tell you that though. I think it's gonna die. Personally, I think it's gonna die. Oh yeah. Magnets in the chat for T.I. Joe. Islands in the chat for Johnny December, because he's an island boy just trying to make it. I don't use Bollinger Bands alone though, but it's not bad to look at things. So cold when it touches your lips, and delicious. We got Wix Wife Fine 89 in the chat. Boogie Down Productions, let's go. Let's turn up for Wix Wife. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get a few of us in here. Boom, boom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boogie Down Productions, baby. Let's go. T.I. Joe, check out my Moon Mission entry box that finally hit. I hope it works out, otherwise I'll feel like a dummy. My Moon Mission entry zone finally hit a week later. I just cleaned my chart though. Let's mark some levels and shit. Get rid of these bands for a sec. I just reference them sometimes. Let's get rid of these moving averages too. So I don't know. I'm doing another class. I'm doing a class in the Discord tonight, you guys. I think. I don't know if it's in his Discord or my bro's Discord or my Discord. But I'm doing a class after this. And I'm the student, bro. So my bro's gonna teach me more about what he knows and he's like an OG DO G, bro. Shout out to Degeneration X. He's gonna show me some moving average magic and shit. I think I'm using his numbers too. Elliott wave numbers. Let's see. Yep. Oh wait. Yep. 722, 55, 233. Boom. EMAs. Boom. But I keep getting false signals with this too, kind of. But we are staying above the 233, and you're supposed to stay in the trade when you're above it. So I guess it is working, really good actually. Lost it for a smidge here, and then reclaim, go long. That would have printed beautifully for what? How many percent we get out of just that alone? Let's see. 6%. That's a good move. Let's see how much dollars this is. 24 to 32. Dude, that's $6, bro. That's the average true range for the day, bro. This is a damn good spot to look for shorts. Damn good spot, bro. Oh yeah, levels. Let's mark these levels. Melissa One Love in the house. Welcome, Melissa. Drop some manifest emojis for Melissa and everyone, because 2026 is our year, yo. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna print so much paper, blah, 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 blah. Where is this? And I'll delete my weird emoji. There we go. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, EMA is good. It's, you know what I think of how I look at the EMAs and shit? Oh, you're treadmilling? Sweet, bro. I look at these EMAs like a dynamic trend line. Just a dynamic trend line. Really. Because it just adjusts with price as you go. But you can draw a trend line here or here. And then the trend gets steeper because momentum increased. So then you can move it from that touch or that touch. Anywhere in there. And we're just poking out of it. This like recent momentum. That's not saying that this momentum can't continue though, like this. This like slope chill momentum. that could still continue. So this could just hit here and then keep going. So it's possible. But yeah, so I look at these EMAs and shit, like dynamic trend lines, basically. There's like if a special kid tried to draw a straight line, you know? It's just a straight line that kind of wiggles a bit with price. That's how I look at them anyway. Let's mark some levels for Sunday, just to get prepared for Sunday. We'll go to the monthly. Oh, we gotta do this on Bitcoin too. Ooh, Bitcoin short got stopped in profit today. What do we get out of this puppy? 1 to a 1.74, not bad for Bitcoin. I should have just played Orb. I bet Orb would have showed me the way. Let's see. Sometimes I fucking veer around too much, looking for new testing and like trying to find new things and shit, and then I veer from what works, and then I regret it. So I need to stop doing that. So let's see, 930. Oh, that's a fat orb, is it? I need to make this stretched out, baby. Stretched out, baby. Let's see. Yeah, it's a decent orb. Let's drop the orb. What should we use for this? We'll use orange lines. Oh shit, the setup. Whatever, setup's gone. Orange lines. Whatever, that's the top of orb. That's the bottom, I think. Yeah. And we did close above, and then we just got a little bit of a move, which is plenty good though. Plenty good. I just want to check it. I like checking stuff sometimes. Orb. First we got a fake high. We got a fake high. Then a fake low. And then up. So we would have took 2 stops to barely get a 1-to-1. See if we go top of orb though. Or like the low. The low that broke the orb. Right here. 1 to 1.66. You would have barely got back your 2 stops if you would have closed at the Pico top. Also hard. But yeah, let's clean this chart too and redo it. Whoops, whoops, whoops. We'll set this one back to the monthly. Monthly. I know Frank loves marking these levels. I think he does anyway. I do. I do. So here's our previous month high. We'll make it white because it's macaroni. Macaroni. Previous month low. And right now we're holding above the mid, which is bullish. Very bullish, baby. Very bullish. Let's mark the mid so we don't get confused later when we're zoomed in. Hit there. Mark the mid ski. 50. Blackie Chan, where were you today? I feel like poop, bro. I take losses hard, bro. It's good though that I take them seriously, right? It's not a fucking game to me. It's not a fucking casino. It's not gambling. It's not for fun. Like, it is fun. I do like it, but it's for real life for me. This is my future, bro. This is my future and my now. So close I can taste it. Previous week high and low, right here. Gotta change that back to this. Previous week we'll do red line, red line, red line. Previous week, and we'll get the mid of that too, so we don't get kerfluffled when we're zoomed in. So I don't. Right there, baby. Dash that puppy up. Oh, we should be locking these two, bro. Get rid of this fib. Lock it. Lock it. Lock it. Lock it. Lock it. Okay, now let's do our levels on Sol. What are we at, the monthly? Whoa, whoa. Same thing here, claiming the mid. Claiming the previous month mid. Oh, I should put it on the candle I want it on. Straight line. White line. Lock line. Yep. Lock that line. Fib. Mark the mid. Dash that puppy. Lock that puppy. Delete that puppy. Okay, now let's do the weekly. Previous week. Don't go there. Previous week. Straight line, red line. Straight line, red line, lock line. Do another one down here. Red line, lock line, straight line, boomski, boomski. Fib for the mid. Feel colder than a polar bear. It's a little off on the mid here. Right there. Looks good to me. Now we go to the mid. Boom. Dash line. Lock line. Get rid of fib. Boom. Okay, so we got previous month high, low, mid. We got previous week high, low, mid. Now let's do previous day. Yeah, we're getting pretty bullish over here, you guys. But this is the mid, bro, the monthly mid. We could reject here real easily. Real easily. Anyways, previous day. Previous days right here, eh? We're just below it. This is the previous day. This is the day we're on. Okay, let's mark this. Previous day low. Straight line. Orange line. Lock line. And the high is right there, I believe. Lock line. Bam. The mid. Get a fibberoni. This could be tugged down a touch. Right there. In the mid. Right there. Dash that puppy up. Dash that puppy up. Lock that puppy down. Delete the fib. Make sure this is locked. This is locked. Yeah, we're all locked in, baby. Now let's do it on Bitcoin. Johnny December. Oh, cheers, bro. Cheers. I got a coffee here, too. What? Who took who out, bro? Yo, no name. My ninja. Thanks for showing up, bro. Yeah, no names in this bitch. D-Generation X, bro. I was just talking about you. Is that why you said that? But yeah. All good things, of course. All good things. So yeah, previous day on the Bitcoin. On the Bitcoins. I want all the Bitcoins. I want all the Bitcoins in the universe. Previous day high. Up here. Orange. Locked. Previous day low. Down here. Looks like we claimed the mid on Bitcoin. Just a single except me, I'm a G. Lock it. Let's lock it, baby. Lock it. Pull a fibberoo. Johnny, I was telling these guys that we're doing that you're gonna school me after this in Discord. Are you gonna school me after this in Discord? I was just letting them know if they wanted to show up too and come learn some new shit, they could. I don't know if you're still free after this or not. But either way, that's going down tonight or this weekend or whenever whenever we're all free at the same time. So yeah, we claimed all these mids, bro. That's pretty bullish. Not gonna lie. These candles aren't even tiny yet either. On the daily. Bullish. Daily. Bullish. Oh, slight curving? Are we getting slight curve? We're getting slight curving. Might be getting pullback, baby. That'd be good for the short skis. Tiny candles on the 4 hour. No clipping. It gives me more reason to think it's just going to be a pullback and another swoop up for a higher low and a higher high. Potentially. 2 hour. Ooh, greasy tiny candles. Just trying to fall over. But yeah, so these are our levels, eh? So if we can't close above this, short it. Can't close above this, short it. And then if we can't close below this, long it. Can't close below this, long it. That's how I see it anyway. That's how I see it. Let's check out this shit. I'm gonna catch up on the chat. Oh, we got Crypto Squid, baby. Squid Vicious in this bish. Steve Hickey, happy Friday, sir. Happy Friday. 9 beautiful viewers in the audience. I'm gonna drop some squids in the chat for Squid Vicious. My brodo Baggins, Squid Vicious, baby. Oh, sweet. Yeah, I don't know if it's in my Discord or if it's gonna be in my bro's Discord. What's his name again? Riley. Did Riley reply to you, DJX? If Riley's busy, just do it in my Discord, bro. Yo, Hendy, go, GM, bro. Is it morning where you're from, bro? Sweet, that's cool. So we're finally getting up here. Remember we were waiting like fucking 2 weeks for this, bro. I've been waiting 2 weeks for this shit. Pangu, Fluid, Doge. Jesus. They're all up, getting up there, bro. So yeah, damn good time to look for some shorts. But just be careful not to be too soon, eh? Like me. I'm always too soon. See? Oh, dude, check it out. My fucking, my limit order entry hit for hot, remember? This morning and yesterday and shit, I was saying, anchored VWAP 50-day moving average. Finally hit. Slight deviation. Let's see if it prints. We're getting double bull dibs on the 45 minute. Do we got a bull dib on the 2 hour? Or a bear dib, sorry, bear dib. We have a developing bear dib on the 2 hour. Juicy, very juicy. Anyways. Fluid, useless, Pengu, Doge. Check the 1 hour. Abe, Kato, Sui. Fluid's up there on the 1 hour. Rave Recall, Zan Sun, Sui's up there on the 1 hour and the 15 minute. I think the other ones might have started dropping already. Sui. Check out Sui. This got stopped too. Still above the moving averages, the EMAs. What are we checking out? Sui? Sui! Woo! Moon mission. I'm already stuck in this DGen Peppy. Tiny candles on the 2 hour, clipping on the 2 hour. Maybe wait for a bear div though, like a lower high on the RSI and a lower high on the oscillator. We don't always get them, eh? We got double clipping imperative on that hour and a half. Oh shit. Just gonna check my degen position out. And some benefits. Just won't go in profit for me. Hurry up. I'm just gonna change my take profit real quick. For Pepe, take profit 0.0000058. Close 88% of that right there. That'd be a few stop losses back. Beauty. Run it, run it. So yeah, sweet. This shit's popping off, bro. I'm kind of scared to short anything, but that's usually the best time to short. But shit, look at this thing. Let's check out like the daily, or at least the 4 hour. Maybe wait for that first pink candle to try a short. We are clipping on the 4 hour though, and overbought. That's good. Let's check the 8 hour. Clipping on the 8 hour, overbought on the 8 hour, bro. Think it makes it to this? 1.8? Let's see. It's on the 8 hour. I'm just testing these moving averages. These EMAs on different time frames. So much stuff to trading, you get confused so much, bro. I should stick to one time frame and like 3 indicators. But yeah, let's see if we hit this. What about my other MAs? Let's check those out. Might hit this bluey, bro. Not gonna lie. I've seen this one do pretty good in the past. Let's just mark it a bluey. There. Just to see. Just a little experiment. Yo, Al JR in the house. Good evening, Al JR. Mr. Hickey, Hendy, go, go, go. It's almost time for T.I. Joe. I gotta check my freaking Solana shit. Solana's chilling. Nice and safe and sound like I like it. Okay, LJR, bro. Smoking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom ski. Good evening, bro. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate you guys. 12 beautiful viewers in the audience tonight. Let's check out ESTD dominance quick. I know I'm jumping around, but who cares? We got clipping, bro. Oh, we're on the 8 minute. Never mind. Scratch that. It's still valid though for like an 8 minute pump. We got double clipping on the freaking 2 hour, bro. Deuteronomy. We're almost at the bottom of this channel too. This big ass channel. So close yet so far. So close yet so far. Almost at the bottom. Clearly we lost these trend lines. 2. So if this holds, hopefully it doesn't even go that low. Really, I want this to reverse right now for a retest or something of these trend lines. So then my shorts can print finally. I've been waiting a million days for this shit. See, look, Pepe short got stopped, bro. Barely got what? 1 to 2.21 before we got stopped. Break even. 1 to 2.1 stop, break even. Should have went with the trend. Left a juicy what? Juicy 14%. Bad Johnny. Bad Johnny. Johnny December comes from a magical island in the land of Narnia. You know I'm hardcore when I'm switch hitting coffee and Ryan Coke, eh? True DJ. Pepe looks like it's going for another jog up. For fuck's sakes. This thing won't die, man. This like rarely happens, man, you guys. This fucking actual... Look at this healthy trend, man. I haven't seen this since I started crypto. Swear to God. It's been like sideways or like fake pumps up and then down. Fake pump up, down. Fake pump up, down. Fake pump up, down. So that's why I keep trying to short. Because like fake pump up, down. It's been happening forever. Fake pump up, down, ever since 1010. Could this be the end of it? Could this be the start of a V-shaped recovery and uptrend? Or another fake out to sell high to us? That's what I want to know, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I want to know. Like, look at that shit. This shit never happens. Since I started. I've been waiting for this since I started. A year and 2-3 months ago. I've been waiting for this for like a year. It's happened like the odd time. Like here, surprised me for a bit. When was this? In the summer? November. Oh, that was last year, yeah. Yeah, this is when I started. This was the last pump when I started. And it's been shit ever since. Pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah. Is this the one in the summertime? May. That might be the one I'm thinking of. Or this one? July. Yeah. Maybe these two. That's about the only other time, bro. And it's just been a greasy downtrend since I started crypto. With a bunch of fake outs. So, if you ever wonder why is he always trying to short? Why doesn't he go with trend? Why doesn't he go with trend? Because since I started, going with trend has got me wrecked. Every time. It just gets my hopes up. I don't like being played, bro. That's why I don't do it. Because I haven't seen it happen or work for more than a day. 5 days. 5 days is the longest I've seen a trend work. An uptrend. Downtrend I've seen work forever. 650. 10 beautiful viewers. Possibly more. Sometimes Streamlabs lies to me. Yeah, 12 beautiful viewers. Streamlabs, you piece of shit. No, on everything. On everything. Yeah, let's look at Bitcoin. On everything, always, forever. I guess this was a decent one. Well, how long was that? Yeah, 6 days. Or no, this one was longer than that. This is 10 days. 5th? 5th to the 15th, yeah, 10 days. Ooh, 10-day uptrend. Wild ride, what a wild ride. Such a good asset. What's this one? 14. Bottom. 7. Ooh, 7 day. Yeah, man, a week. It's the longest I've ever seen anything go one direction. Ever. Even Bitcoin, whenever it pumps, down, pump, down, pump, down. So I just expect it to keep doing that. I guess here we just... 21, bro. It's a long time ago, bro. Down. We went up. Let's see these legs. Oh, dinosaur. Anyways. I guess we could pump up. I don't know. Every time I try to jump on shit, it's always reverses on me. I don't know. So then I just say fuck it. But maybe it's because I'm not patient. Because what would you have to? You have to sit in this for like a week? I don't do that shit. 7th. Yeah, a month. Yeah, I'm not doing one trade a month. That would take like fucking 100 years to grow my account. I like riding these up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I guess this ain't even a savage uptrend. They just bored us so much with sideways price action for 2 weeks that we think it's such a savage fucking palm, but it's not. We're still in this range, bro. It's just the extreme of the range. Maybe they're just building their positions though before moon mission, right? Hopefully. I don't know. But yeah, Pepe is hopeless. Sui's hopeless. All shitcoins are hopeless. Yeah, we know. But I'd only be able to stream for 15 minutes if I just stared at Bitcoin. So I check out other stuff too. And everyone does Bitcoin. It's kind of boring. Like as much fun as it sounds listening to 25 people say 90,000 or 100,000 looks good. 90,000 or 100,000 looks good. 90,000, like that's fun, but it gets kind of boring after like the 12th person. It's like, okay, we get it. 94, we got you. 90, we got you. 75, 80, we got you. It's like, it gets boring. Especially with this range. Looks like we're rejecting anyways at the high of the range again. So I hope the short prints, that would make me happy. That would cheer me the fuck up. Yeah. Exactly, bro. Same shit every day. Same 12 people saying the same 12 shit. Now I'm the 13th. But yeah, looks like a rejection, bro. Looks like a rejection of previous week high. Didn't close above it anyway. So I could play it back down to the mid or the low of the range. Treat it like a range until it's not a range. Whoops. I'm just mad because I fucked up, really. I think that's why I'm poopy. I think I'm poopy because I made a mistake. But yeah. It's worked this far, eh? Do it again, I guess. Short it. Until we break out of this range, it's a range, right? Yo, R.S. Miller, he's in the gang. Ooh, nice. You got SQD, bro? Let's check it out. Are you printing hard or what? Are you printing hard, bro? It's still down. Let me see. Let's zoom in. So you bought it like right here or what? That short didn't work for very long. It did work though. We got a 1 to 1.2. Well, I guess without the wide ass stop loss, it would have been a 1 to 3.7. Oh yeah, I'm gonna delete it though. So you bought it when it was here? So you guys think we're gonna get more of these moon missions that we've already got a bunch of? Think we're getting more of these? Isn't this like a, what's it called? A 3-wave or something? Like the impulse wave? And then corrective. And then now we get one same size as this or what? Is that how it works? I forget. Is that the big one? This is the little one. Aren't wave 1 and something supposed to be the same or something? Similar? I was just in a Elliott wave class today, I forget. Is this what we're doing? Into the 200-day moving average again? For another bearish retest and fucking send it to hell or what? We'll leave that there for funsies. Let's see if we could play the fucking 200-day again too. Just for funsies. Fuck, that's a huge stop loss. Whatever. Sticking to it. Curtis Hill, gang. Should we have a hootski before we leave? We're going over to Joe's in 2 minutes. I don't know when or where this Discord lesson's gonna be. I was just saying I'm a student forever, basically. Just saying I never stop learning new shit. That's probably my problem. I should probably just stick with what I know. Fuck, this thing won't die, bro. Like, die already. Usually these Friday pumps die by now. It's kind of weird. Makes me think it might be different. This should be dumped, bro. Someone sold a bunch of Bitcoin today, too. I thought they just pumped it to sell to them. Honestly. Maybe it's just weekend folk just keeping hope alive and then eventually it'll dump. Who knows? We'll see. Should I put an alert here? No, because I stare at this shit enough. I don't need to put alerts on shit. This is what I'm looking for anyway. Hope it works. Full moon energy. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right too, bro. Statistically, on 70% or however many of the full moons it works, statistically, they start pumping. You're right, bro. They start pumping like 2 to 3, or was it 3 to 5? Either 2 to 3 or 3 to 5 days before the full moon, they'll start showing their energy, the pump, and then it'll continue. So you might be right, bro. The last couple failed, but all the ones before that pretty much hit hard. But yeah, time for T.I. Joe. I'm gonna turn the tunes up and happy printing. And peace. And thanks for showing up. I appreciate all you. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't trying to leave a none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps. Yo, I froze again? When did that happen? Check that out. Haha, I'm still frozen, bro. Trippy. Weird. I can feel the breakthrough. I ain't see a sour face. We don't do no grapefruit. I just in my stride. Thanks for popping in, JV. Appreciate you. Yeah. Drop some purple hearts in the chat for JV. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't trying to leave a none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. Oh, a long time ago? Thanks for letting me know. Love Streamlabs.